If you want to create a product on Whop and do it the right way from start to finish, this video will walk you through every step in a simple, beginner-friendly way. By the end, you'll know how to set up your product, choose your pricing, connect your community apps, and launch it live to your store. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Now let's get started. First, sign into your merchant account at whop.com. Once you're logged in, make sure you're on your home feed. This is important because you want to be in the correct area before you start creating anything. On the left-hand side, you'll see the navigation sidebar. Look for Dashboard and click it. This will take you into your merchant dashboard, where all of your product settings and business tools are managed. As soon as your merchant dashboard loads, look to the left-hand panel again and find Products. Click on Products to open the section where all your Whop products are listed and managed. This is the area where you can create new offers, edit existing ones, and organize what customers can buy from your store. Now, in the top right area of the screen, click the Create Product button. This is the starting point for building your new product. Whop will now ask you to fill out the basic details, and this part is very important because it helps customers understand exactly what they're buying. Start with the name field. Enter a clear, specific product name that instantly tells people what the offer is. For example, something like VIP monthly membership works well because it is direct and easy to understand. Next, write your headline. This should be a short summary or slogan that highlights the value of your product. Think of this as the quick pitch that makes someone want to keep reading. After that, upload your banner image. Choose a high-quality image that represents your offer and looks professional. A strong banner can make your product page feel much more polished and trustworthy, so don't skip this step. If your product looks clean and clear, people are more likely to take it seriously. Once the basic product details are filled in, move on to pricing. Whop gives you a few different options here, depending on how you want members to access the product. You can choose free access if you want to charge for the offer. If you choose paid access, you'll then need to decide between recurring and one-time pricing. Recurring is ideal for memberships, communities, subscriptions, and ongoing access. One-time is better for a single payment product, a digital download, or a one-off offer. After selecting the pricing model, set your currency and enter your price. Be sure to double-check these details before moving forward, because pricing directly affects how people buy your product. If you want to increase conversions, you can also toggle Include a free trial. This can be a great option if you want people to try your product before fully committing. Under Plan Settings, you may also see extra options like offering a discount on cancellation, adding a waitlist, or limiting stock. These settings can help you control demand, improve retention, or create urgency depending on your business goals. Now click Next in the top right corner to continue. This is where you connect the actual community apps or features that come with your product. Whop allows you to select the apps you want included, and you can toggle on the checkboxes for different features like chat, courses, or tickets. Choose the apps that match what you're selling so your product feels organized and useful from day one. For example, if you're building a membership community, chat might be essential. If you're selling educational content, courses could be the better choice. And if your product includes support or access to events, tickets may be useful. The key is to select only the tools that make sense for your offer, so your product stays simple and easy for customers to navigate. Once your apps are selected, click Next again to review the final details of your product page. This is your chance to make everything look polished before publishing. Add a video or photo for the landing page, so your product has a strong visual first impression. Then add a compelling headline and description that clearly explain what buyers are getting and why it matters. You should also add an FAQ section. This is extremely helpful because it lets you answer common customer questions before they even ask. Think about things like what's included, how access works, whether it renews automatically, and what someone should expect after purchase. A good FAQ can reduce confusion and help increase sales. When everything looks good, click Save Product. That will instantly push your new product live to your store. At that point, your Whop product is officially created and ready for customers to view and buy. So, to quickly recap, you sign into your merchant dashboard, go to Products, create your product, fill in the name, headline and banner, choose your pricing structure, link the right apps, and then save everything to launch it live. That's the full process for creating a product on Whop. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.